There, stop. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, there's Bronny. Here's Russ. Get down. That's it, they're going. Yeah! This is it, boys, this is us. Everybody's here.
Boys are almost here. Here it is.
Oh, here's the bees.
Alright. Let's do this.
How many have we got all up?
All the boys gearing up. Bit of a prank on our brother Russ.
Yep.
Basically, ideas. We're plumbing his whole house with beer. This guy's going to come home and it's going to get awesome.
Get them in there, boys.
I knew there was a reason I became a plumber.
Choice. Shut up. Get them in. Bring them in. Oh, Stimmy, I like your partner. You look like the bouncer of the thing.
I'm just
Chief delegate, mate.
Righto. Let's get to the business end.
I look like I've not even been under there. But I've done a stint.
No, you haven't. Get in there.
some serious teamwork. Hope you can appreciate what's going on here, Russ. Brad, hooking up all the plumbing, making sure everything's going to flow smoothly. Look at the working conditions. Oh, I can feel the beer cooling already. See on it? I don't think he's dusted under there for months.
Just so you know, plumber's doing the last connection.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, look at that.
Brad?
He's outside drinking beers, I think.
Can't wait till Russ comes under here.
I know, bro. It's coming me.
So where are we at?
Yes.
All right, so we go test it out then.
Moment of truth.
Almost there.
Finishing touches there.
Yeah.
Prime position.
Okay, need to let it run first. There we go.
Wait for it. The bartender out. We need to put the plug in. Stop wasting beer, Trev.
And the taste.
Do it, bro. Yeah. Taste it.
Cheers, Russ.
Is it cold?
Russ, you just clocked life, man.
That is nice and chilled.
That's the whole cup now.
Yeah,
That's
that's
it. Back round.
It's absolutely perfect.
We said beer every tap. That's what we're going for. Come in, boys.
Beer. Wait for it. It's getting there.
That is a plan coming together.
Yeah.
All right, come down here. We're going to see how the camera hiding and wiring's going. Get in the bathroom here. Just got on there, Trev.
Do you reckon he's going to notice that?
Cable.
Sweet. I might just need a bit more cable.
We might need a bit more cable. That's why you got to have the right guys on the job for a good prank.
Heaps of space, eh?
Final adjustments, mate.
Nice.
Looking good.
This one's awesome. Little camera in there. We've got a shoe cam down here. Look in there. Bro, this is ridiculous.
Yeah, just a pretty simple setup.
Definitely didn't do this by halves, have we?
Yes.
It's the keys.
So he should,
Oh, yeah.
should be.
Oh, there. You look like a possum. Yeah, man. Couch is perfect. All right, guys. Let's do this.
Let's get out of here.
Roll out.
Brothers.
Long time no see. Everybody duck down or something.
Well, we just come to the end of a really long day. Next door, as you know, is the Palace, Russ and Bronny's place. All day we've set up, as you can see, about 14 cameras in their house. And we've plumbed every tap to keep them. So Russ and Bron are completely underwears. They're over at Waikiki at the moment, coming home. Well, they're coming home soon. And we're just gonna watch it all unfold. The reason you guys are here is at the end of this. Once Russ has been under the house, because we know, well, he'll pull on those overalls, get into the house, work out what's going on. Once he gets back inside, I'll knock at the door and we're going to be all out on the front.
Oh, it's like cold beer too, look. It's making this go off.
He's going buttering. No way.
Oh my gosh.
And there too?
There's no fresh water anywhere.
Here come the overalls. Yes, they're under the house.
They've hooked it up under the house.
Called it, bro.
Go to the other angle.
He's filming it all on his phone.
You can see the camera. Here it goes.
You better have some people around for the game.
Well done, fellas. Nice job, and it's pouring perfectly.
Yeah!